Today, I'll walk you through how to pin Airtable bases so you can stop digging through endless workspaces and get straight to the projects you use most. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Airtable. Once the page loads, you'll need to click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage, which is the main dashboard where all your bases and workspaces are displayed. This is essentially your command center, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't already. Now, look for the base you use most frequently. These appear as cards in the main area, each showing the base name and a preview of its content. Hover your cursor over that base card, and you'll notice a small star icon appear in the top right corner of the card. Click that star icon, and just like that, the base is pinned. The star will fill in with a solid color, confirming the base has been added to your starred section, which sits right at the top of your homepage for quick one-click access. This is a huge time saver if you manage multiple bases across different teams or projects. If you ever need to unpin a base, simply hover over the starred base card again and click the star icon once more. The star will become empty, and the base will drop out of your starred section, returning to its original spot within its workspace. This gives you total control over what stays front and center. To take your organization even further, combine starring with Airtable's workspaces and folders. You can group related bases into folders within a workspace, then star the most critical ones from each folder. That way, your starred section becomes a curated list of your daily essentials, while your folders keep everything else neatly categorized for when you need it. You've now successfully pinned your most important Airtable bases, saving yourself time and clutter every time you log in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.